So now we'll talk about the last resource in the bundle, and that is SVG resource. Okay, so let me open this SVG resource. There is some code there in this SVG tag. So I just want to remove this code with some other code, and this code that you can see on the screen right now is something that I have copied and pasted here. If you want, you can go to this site. Okay, click on this link w3.org/tr/svg, and here you can select, like, suppose basic shapes. So if you want a circle, suppose you want a circle element, if you want a circle element, you can just copy and paste this SVG. Now the question is where this circle would be visible. So to answer this question, I have copy pasted one SVG tag for a circle having radius of 50, black stroke, width 5, and filled with red. Now if I go to Lightning App Builder, and create a lightning page, okay, see, since we have this SVG over here, so due to this, the icon for it, registration component, is coming like a red circle, because that's what we put in the SVG tag, that we need a circle with the radius and it should be filled red. Here you can also see this registration underscore component. This is the label of your, this is the name of your component. If you want to change this, you can just go to your design resource and give a label to this, my registration component. Okay, and now refresh it. See, it's coming my registration component. So this is the use of SVG, and now we have covered all the resources in this bundle.